To open app in floating mode on Realme 14 Pro Plus, there are a couple of different methods to do this. I will actually show you two of them, which are the easiest ones. And first of all, you will have to open any application that you want to open in this floating mode. So let's open this one. And from here, you have to go into the recents and press on these three dots on the top right corner of this application. And here we have floating window. As you can see now, we are in the floating mode with this application. And we can set this application to full screen, we can minimize it, we can also close it, we can change the size of this window and so some other stuff. And the second way to do this is if you have the smart sidebar right here, all you have to do, in case you have this application on this sidebar, all you have to do is simply tap on this application and it opens in this floating mode, as you can see. So these are two ways to do this, and to find more options about the floating windows, you have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience, and here we can find floating window, and here we can find a couple of different options right here. But yeah, that's basically how to open this application in floating mode.